Jazz is going up onto our boat for the first time as our own boat. He's finding his way up on his own account. Just be very careful because the mast could fall, and I don't want the mast to fall, because if the mast falls, we are in a bit of a pickle. I don't like this way. I feel like maybe I shouldn't go this way. Here we go. We're going up the ladder onto the boat. So there's our van. This is Vanny, everyone. This is our tiny land ship, and now we are moving on to a water ship.
A pirate ship.
A pirate water ship. Da, 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 da. Do you notice anything different? Do you notice anything different about our little boat here? No? Maybe? Well, there's no mast anymore on it. We took it down today. Well, we didn't. Other people came and they took it down. They surprised us. We weren't expecting it to happen that early in the morning, but they came and they took it down. And it's now over by the water, which is pretty cool. So we're progressing. So we just scraped off the entire boat, which took days and days and days, and now we are going to reapply the same color that we just scraped off. So we just finished painting the boat, and I know it doesn't look super nice, but that's because white over black.
It looks like we just finished scraping
Listen, white over black just looks like that, okay? So we'll get
We're
another.
gonna do another coat.
We're gonna do another coat. We just were looking at the docks earlier, figuring out which one we want. And Chum is wiping old diesel on her skin to get off the toxic paint. But we're gonna wash it off right away with soap, so it'll be fine. But it smells.
Will it be fine? It doesn't smell very nice.
It smells a little rank.
Well, we already did it yesterday.
Yeah, this is becoming a routine.
Oh, we're gonna have to do it again tomorrow.
I can't wait till our life just consists of like sitting on the boat. This morning we woke up to a rather terrifying sight. This came to see us in the morning. Are you sure that that's like big enough to pick up our boat? I don't know.